Okay.
Okay, she's got the.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, folks. Okay, we're back. Okay. Okay, we're back. Okay, here we go. Anyway, alrighty. Okay. 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 No. Okay.
Hey.
Okay. So anyway, garage is cleaned up. Holy shit. Shimmer and shake. Like I'm doing this camera. Goddamn. We got Chloe over there on guard dog duty. She's making sure the neighbors don't jack around and mess something up. So I gotta stop for a second. Oh, wait a minute. We got some action going on here. We gotta get first. Turn that on and click the button. Turn it on and click the button. You're not turning it on. You share the gas code. Sometimes the simple things in life are tough. And probably burn the house down in the process. Hey, now we're on video. Watch your mouth there, boy. It's kind of like Foxy's kind of like hanging out with the cool kids. He wants to go where the cool kids are. You like my narrating? You like my narrating? It's gonna all get cut out anyway. Bubbles out. Where's the torch at? So what we're doing here, you can see my hand. See them bubbles pop?
Quickly.
Huh? Just marbly. Probably not gonna spray, paint in the garage with the Harley sitting there, but she don't seem to mind about that kind of stuff. She just does it. I'll have it clean later, she says. Yeah, right. Is that correct, bud? Sure, she just says that to entertain me. Hi, babe. We just love working together on projects. Well, I missed that. Anyway. Whoa, easy there, Tiger. Slow down. Knock the whole thing off the soup can. Now here, it kind of oozed out and give you that. Looks like a set of balls dropped on it there. It's artistic work.
I need a stick.
Right here? I need it now. Phew. Well, I'll tell you what. Good thing we got the garage door open. I'm excited to bring this shit.